Oh, may hinog na aming strawberry. Oh. Okay. You can take it. Oh, meron pa dito. Oh. Okay. Kunin na natin. Ala, ang ganda pagkahinog. Oo, tingnan niyo. Oh. This one too? Okay.
Just give me. I want.
Oh, wow.
Just give me to eat it.
Kagkagari mo po tayo ng kagawig. Ayan sa. Ugasan pa na to na. We need to wash it.
Okay.
Okay, dara pa. Oh. You want some more? Oh, kunin na natin. Oh. Meron pa dito. Oh.
Strawberries is not ready right now.
Maliliit pa.
Huh?
How
How many strawberries?
Wala, ito pa oh. Hindi pa, hintayin pa natin to. You want this?
Yes.
Ana, it's not ready yet. Yan, maya na lang yan. Wala. Ito, ganda pagkahinag siya mo. Yan o.
Give me this. Give me
Okay.
that. It's ready.
It's ready na?
Yeah.
Wow, oy.
Give me this. Give me this. And just please. Give me.
Yan. Oh. Uga naman
Did you
itong.
say wig? I'm just wearing a wig.
Oh, lah.
No.
Ay, sayang, hulog. Yan.
No.
Okay. Are you happy now?
Yes. Because I wanted to eat it and make a strawberry milkshake.
Oh, ibutang dire. Strawberry milkshake. Okay. You want some lemon?
Yes. I want
Okay.
to make some lemon
Okay.
juice right now.
Yeah, we need some lemon. We need 2 lemon. Agagay. Butang. Uy, butang.
Okay.
We need a big one. Okay, bangagan na. Para to sa plato. Oh.